Hey everyone, it's Taste and See with Ken Sabalza, and in today's video we will check out the brand new Overlook Walk here at the waterfront in Seattle. And it's a really cool landmark, so let's go ahead and check it out together, and let's go. Part of the Overlook Walk is this section of the Seattle Aquarium. And what's great about it is you have the main Seattle Aquarium here on the right side, and then this section here. And there are many different ways to get up to the Overlook Walk. Here's one of them. And if we actually go here, this is a real cool spot where it's kind of like a bleacher setting where you can sit, and so you can go up these stairs and then you can take a seat on these bleacher-like seats here, and that gives you a view of the water and even the sunset. So if you time it right, you can catch golden hour here at the bottom part of the Overlook Walk. And now let's go up to the actual viewing area itself. So let's go. This is one way to get up to the Overlook Walk, and it's with these stairs here. But if you have difficulty walking upstairs, there's actually an elevator on the other side that you can take, which enables you to get up on the observation deck area with no problem. But since we're here, let's go up these stairs, and just to save you some trouble, I'll meet you at the very top. Okay, we made it pretty much to the top, but I wanted to show you this section here, and we were actually just down there. And there's the bleachers seating. And there's actually a sitting area right there. Those big old benches. And yeah, we were just down there, climbed up these stairs. And then if you go here, there's another middle section where there's more seating. Really cool. And you can either take the stairs here, or there is a ramp here on the right side. Since the stairs are close to me, let's go ahead and just take these stairs. And here we are. Welcome to the newest landmark here in Seattle. Opened on October 4th, 2024, called the Overlook Walk. And if you just roam around just a little bit. So we have this seating area here, which is incredible. So you could see the water right in front of you. And if we keep walking in this area, you can actually see the main road down there. And the Overlook Walk was built on top of what used to be the Alaskan Way Viaduct that was demolished, I believe, in 2021. So about 3 years ago, three and a half. Oh, actually 4 years ago. Forgot it was 2025. And here's some seating here again. Awesome view. Really cool. And there's the Seattle Aquarium down there. And if we keep on walking, you can see the Great Wheel right ahead of us. And let's actually go down just a little bit. And let's take a look and check this out. On the concrete, they made etches of seashells. Take a look. And they actually have a guide here about the Salish Sea. So let's continue walking, and I'm glad they put some plants and some foliage here to give it some greenery. And a lot of people are out and about. It's about 38 degrees Fahrenheit this afternoon. So it is on the chilly side. And here you go. There's the walkway to the waterfront, which leads you to the different piers. And there's the main street there. And actually here on the left are the elevators. So again, if you have a hard time climbing up some stairs, you can take the elevators going down, and the elevators will take you down below to the main level where you can explore the waterfront and the different shops and restaurants. Now from the Overlook Walk, let's make our way to Pike Place Market. So I'll show you how this area is connected to the market for easy accessibility. If you want to continue to roam around and shop around, so let's go check it out. And in order to get there, we can just walk along this pathway here. So here's the pathway up to the market. And as you can see, the sign says hours 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. open daily. Here's another view. Beautiful. And so let's go up and check out this connection. And there's actually a brewery here on the left side called Old Stove Brewery. And I believe we walk this way. So let's just go up these steps. And yeah, here is Pike Place Market. We made it. Wonderful. There's actually another lookout area here. Ooh, Seattle seafood chowder, yum. This is great. And an eating area here. Beautiful view from here on top. So here is the entrance to Pike Place Market. And, excuse me, thank you. So, cool. So we'll do another video featuring Pike Place Market and the different stalls and goodies. So definitely check that out when it becomes available. Well, there you have it. That's a brief guided tour and walkthrough of the brand new Overlook Walk here in Seattle. And thank you so much for joining me. This is Taste and See with Ken Sabalza, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again for our next adventure. So in the meantime, happy travels, and I'll see you all soon.